Preparatory work. The installation site should be free from dust, keep dry and ventilated. Check whether installation tools are complete. Check whether cable accessories match correctly. Straighten and sew both ends of the two cables to be connected. Stripping. Stripping follow with the dimensions of the installation instructions. Strip the outer sheath in turn. Steel armor and stay 30 mm, the rest stripped. The inner sheath and stay 50 mm, the rest stripped. Remove the filler. Filler spare. Three-phase separation, with PVC wrapping each copper shielded end. Strip the copper shielding and semi-conductive layer to the length as drawing shown. Chamfer the end of the semi-conductive layer with a tool to make a smooth transition between the semi-conductive layer and the insulating layer. Add 3 mm to half length of connecting tube and cut off insulation. Sharpen the insulation into a reactive cone with a cone shaper. Sand the surface of the insulation with sandpaper and clean the insulation. Insert copper mesh at the peeling end. Install the connecting tube. Insert the connecting tube. Note, the video is a twist-off connecting tube and does not require crimping, which should be connected according to the twist-off connecting tube method. Measure the outer diameter of the connecting tube and insulation and clean the connecting tube. Wrap and insulate the conductor crimping part. Clean the surface of the insulation. Wrap a semi-conductive tape around the conductor crimping position, according to the size shown in the figure. From the conductor shield of one side of the cable to the conductor shield of the other side of the cable, twice back and forth. Wrap the stress control tape one round trip around the insulated shield port. Wrap the insulating tape according to the dimensions shown in the drawing. Phi D equals crimp tube OD plus 16. Wrap the semi-conductive tape to the insulating slant one round trip starting at 15 mm from the insulating shield. Wrap the copper mesh from one side to the other side of the copper shield. Secure it with a constant force spring and wrap it tightly with PVC. Waterproof and sealing. The three faces are organized side by side. The filler is restored, secured with PVC tape. Sand the surface of the outer sheath and clean it. Wrap waterproof tape around the sanded outer sheath. Sanding and cleaning of steel armor surfaces. Secure the jumper wire to the steel armor with a constant force spring and tie it down with PVC. Injection waterproofing. Wrap 2 layers of filler tape in half-lap manner with a thickness about 4 mm. During the wrapping process along the winding direction, keep tightening the wrapped filler tape by hand to achieve the purpose of moderately tightening the filler tape. Handling of injection nozzles. Place an injection nozzle on the left and right as shown. Injection nozzle 1 should be in the center of the joint. Injection nozzle 1 should be in the highest position while wrapping 2 layers of clear sealing tape, 50% lap in the other shown. The nozzles should be carefully crossed and overlapped to avoid leakage of glue during the injection process. Outside the transparent sealing tape, wrap another layer of fiber reinforcing tape, 50% lap. After the wrap is completed, within the end of the position of each 10 mm, cut an air vent. Glue injection procedure. Screw the plastic injection spiral bag and install it on the plastic injection nozzle. Withdraw the separator clip of the 2-component epoxy resin and mix the 2-component resin well. Then open the resin plastic bag and put the plastic bag, together with the resin, into the injection bag. Using a glue injection tool, clamp the glue injection bag containing the resin. Hold the injection tool in your hand and rotate the handle to squeeze the resin in the injection bag into the cavity. At the initial injection nozzle, after filling its proximal cavity, remove the injection bag and repeat the above operation at another injection nozzle to start injecting glue. Figure 5. Determine that another bag of epoxy resin needs to be activated before turning on a new bag of resin. It is recommended to start injecting glue from the injection nozzle 1 until the resin flows into the injection nozzle 2, and then start injecting glue at the injection nozzle 2 until there is resin overflow from the exhaust hole at the far end from its injection nozzle. Figure 5. If blistering is found after the injection is complete, the air can be removed by piercing the layer of sealant tape with a sharp object and then resealing it with the remaining sealant tape. Figure 5. A small amount of resin spillage is allowed in order to expel air. Remove foaming. After confirming that the injection is complete, seal the air hose at both ends with sealing tape. It takes about 2 hours for the resin to solidify before the center joint can be moved. Installation finish. Clean up the side. Thanks for watching.